So today we are going to try salmon steaks, spaghetti butternut squash, some garlic, and spinach. And this we are all going to put into our grillies. We'll put it on 2 grillies, and we should take about 10 minutes to cook. And I'll show you what it's going to look like shortly. The grillies filled with salmon, spaghetti butternut squash, spinach, and garlic. Now what I usually do is I like to just oil the salmon lightly, a little olive oil, before I put them into the grillies. In this case, I'll flip this over. You can see how the spinach and the butternut squash look. And here's the other grillie here. I'll flip it over for you. Now, that looks sensational. Let's bring it out to the grill. Alrighty, let's put our grillies on. Like this. And I have my bottle of olive oil. Spray this down a little bit in here. Spray this over here a little bit. Alrighty. Grillies on the grill. This should take about 10 minutes. It's my estimated time. It's the first time we're doing this. It's a total experiment. Let's see how they come out. Alright, this is after 5 minutes. See what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Everything's cooking down real nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's see. Why don't we take and we'll turn one of these over. We'll flip them over. Oh, look at that. Ah, nice. That got done beautiful, crispy as can be. Alright, then we'll take that. There you go. So that's now, you can see how the grillie works. Just tap it and the food will drop right off and hardly anything sticks to it. Sure, you're going to get a little piece like this sticking to it. That'll be normal. But look at those, look at that fish. Look at how nice that looks. Oh my gosh. Now this one's going to get done. Well, this will get cooked by convection. We'll leave it in here for 5 minutes, see how it works. This is the finished dish. It was about 11 minutes. But look at that. Look at that. The spaghetti squash, the garlic, the spinach, and the salmon. The salmon just looks phenomenal. And I've tasted the garlic. Oh, they're like candies. This is going to be a grillie dish that's going to live on forever.